If you're a chocolate lover, you are going to love this chocolate fondue. It's super simple to make. You don't even have to go out to a restaurant anymore, and it's perfect for parties, for Valentine's Day, for holidays. You're gonna love it. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making chocolate fondue. It's so easy to make, and you only need a few simple ingredients and then all of your dippers. So the special items that you will need a fondue pot. You can get them pretty much anywhere. They have them on Amazon, you can get them at Target. This one is a little cast iron pot. It's perfect for chocolate fondue because it maintains the heat even if you need to take that pot off. So the ingredients that you will need are heavy cream. You're going to also need semi-sweet chocolate, bittersweet chocolate, a little bit of vanilla, and Cointreau. Cointreau is an orange liqueur. You can leave it out if you don't want to have alcohol in there, but it doesn't really taste like alcohol. You just get like a little hint of orange, and it really complements the chocolate really, really well. So I urge you to try it. So the chocolate that we have here are chocolate candy melts. You can get them pretty much anywhere, and they're super forgiving when you're trying to melt down chocolate. They don't require tempering. It's really easy to get the consistency that you need for that. But if you want to do a higher quality chocolate, I love this brand, and they have bittersweet chocolate and semi-sweet chocolate. And you just chop this up into fine bits. It melts incredibly well, but you will have to keep an eye on it because it can seize up. One tip that I have for you, if your chocolate does start to seize up, you can totally save it. Just add a little bit of coconut oil in there and stir it until it's all smooth, and you're good to go. So let's make some chocolate fondue. We're gonna go over to the stovetop and set up a double boiler. If you don't have a double boiler, you can easily do this the way that we're doing it today. I just have a saucepan with a little bit of water in the bottom, and on top of it I have a glass bowl. You just wanna make sure that that glass bowl is not touching the water in the pot. So let's get started. To make your chocolate fondue, bring your water to a boil, and once it's boiling, immediately turn it down to a simmer. Add your cream to the bowl, and we're just gonna heat up the cream until it's steamy. You don't wanna bring that to a boil. Once your cream is steamy, you're going to stir in the chocolate. Now just keep stirring the chocolate until it's melted and smooth. When your chocolate is smooth and creamy, you're going to stir in the vanilla and the Cointreau. Now it's time to enjoy your fondue. So our fondue is done. It's like silky smooth and perfect. We're just gonna transfer it to a preheated fondue pot. So I had just had this on here, and I lit the sterno underneath so that it would warm up before I transfer this. And you really can get very creative with your dipping items. So whatever you have to dip into your fondue. We have pound cake and some cookies and some biscotti and fruit and some little mini stroop waffles. Try not to catch my pot holder on fire, because that would be awesome. Of course I have to try it. So I'm gonna take one of these little strawberries here. Dip that in. And that looks so amazing. That is ridiculous. It is so good. I probably have chocolate all over my mouth. If you don't make this, you're crazy. It is rich and chocolatey. I want to climb right in. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.